There's a feature on the DJI Mini 3 and 4 Pro which is often forgotten about, but is a fantastic way to get the drone up in the air, capture some footage, and then bring it down all in a couple of minutes. This is the MasterShots feature, which is where the drone autonomously creates a short aerial film around a point of interest. You can then edit this video further and choose from a selection of audio as well as a template in the DJI Fly app, but more on that later. I'll also be showing the final result at the end of this video, but without further ado, let's take a look at how the MasterShots function actually works. You will need to take off before you try to enter MasterShots. As you can see, the drone is telling us it's unable to enter MasterShots when not in flight. Okay, so the drone is up in the air now and I've decided on a point of interest. To find the MasterShots function, click on the film icon and then press on MasterShots. A short video also pops up giving a brief overview about what the MasterShots function actually does. To select your point of interest, simply drag your finger over the subject and a green box will appear. This green box will tell the drone which object to focus on while it's filming the video. You can also adjust a few parameters of your flight to your liking. At the bottom of the screen, you can see a drop-down menu which will allow you to change the maximum height, width, and also the length of the flight path. The drone also gives us an estimated flight time, which is how long the drone will take to finish filming the MasterShot. But before you press start, make sure the drone has sufficient battery to complete the flight. You can check this by pressing on the circular battery dial in the top right. Now that everything is set up, you can tap on the start button and the drone will start taking the MasterShot. Initially, the drone will adjust its position for a few seconds so it can calculate a sense of scale of the selected object, and then it will start filming the video. You may have noticed the map in the bottom left corner expand. On the map, you can see that a green flight path has appeared, which shows the exact course the drone will take while filming the MasterShot. While the drone is filming, you can check the progress here on the right. You can also see that the circle is split up into segments. These segments represent the individual drone movements which will join together to make the final video. You can also check which movement is currently being filmed at the bottom of the screen. Once the drone has completely finished shooting, it will return to the point where the drone began filming the MasterShot, and it will save the final video into the album. This video doesn't look bad by itself, but it's missing some music and interesting transitions. If we go over into the DJI Fly app with the drone connected and press on the video we just filmed, you can see that we get an option to create MasterShots. If we press on this, we can add some music and effects by choosing one of the many templates. You can choose from a theme, or you can look through them and select one that you like. Most of them are between 15 and 45 seconds long, so they make for an amazing short edit. Once you found the theme you want to use, tap on Export and the system will export the edited video and save it to your device, ready for you to share. So there we have it. That's how you can create amazing aerial videos with the MasterShots feature in only a few minutes. If you found this video helpful, then please let me know by clicking the like button, and I also recommend you check out my other videos which will help you get so much more out of your drone flights. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.